Hi, my name is Dean Paul Deniston, and today we'll be assembling and going over some key features of the Razor Junior T3. The T3 is very lightweight, making it easy to load into your vehicle and take with you where you need to go. This is the best learning scooter for younger children as it helps develop motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and balance. The T3 comes in two different colorways. This is a very easy assembly. It should take you about 1 minute from start to finish. Now let's open up the box and see what's inside. The first thing we have is our owner's manual. Feel free to give it a read. We have our handlebars. And lastly, we have the T3 itself. Now let's get rid of this box and start the assembly. Let's remove the wrappers. The T3 can be assembled in one easy step, attaching the handlebars. Take your handlebars, locate the button at the bottom, pinch it in, slide it into the hole on the T3, making sure the Razor logo is in the front, and slide it down till it clicks. And you're done! The T3 offers fixed handlebars. This eliminates the rattle associated with most folding scooters. The T3 has high-quality polyurethane wheels. They offer low resistance, maximizing the roll per kick. They are larger than conventional scooter wheels, meaning children can get over cracks and bumps easily. The deck features a textured anti-slip surface, meaning your child will be more stable while riding. It's also low to the ground, making it easier to push. The T3 has an intuitive braking system, meaning your child can slow down simply by stepping on the fender brake. The T3 was designed with stability and safety in mind. The handlebars do not twist, which makes them more stable for your child to hold on to. The T3 utilizes a tilt-to-turn system, meaning when you want to turn, simply tilt the bars in that direction. Thank you for watching. I hope you found our video helpful and informative. But if you are still having any troubles or complications, please feel free to visit the customer support section on Razor.com.